Today, I'm going to be discussing the IELTS General Book 19, Test 2, Writing Task 1, the informal letter. You are a member of an international students club. The club is organizing an event to celebrate popular food from around the world. Write a letter to the event organizer. In your letter, offer to make a popular dish from your country. Describe what dish this is and explain why it should be included in the event. Begin your letter as follows. Dear Louis. Now this 150-word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear Louis. In para 1, mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, offer to make a popular dish from your country. In para 3, describe what dish this is. In para 4, explain why it should be included in the event. In para 5, summarize the letter and then end with best regards, Fred. The following slides show an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Louis, I am writing to inform you that I would like to make a popular dish for our International Students Club's event that celebrates popular food from around the world. The ratatouille, a French delicacy, is a combination of tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, bell peppers, onions and garlic. I feel that this dish should be included in the event's menu as it is versatile and goes well with the variety of other side dishes that have been slated for that day. I would like to inculcate this dish as when I was a child, my grandmother would make the ratatouille for dinner. And thereafter, whenever I have tasted it, I have been reminded of her cooking and what it was like to eat it for the very first time. So because I believe that this dish would bring an exotic and sophisticated experience to the event, I request you to allow the inclusion of this dish. Best regards, Fred.